This is the first step to control the robot using a Google IoT project called BLUEDOT, and it is connected through Bluetooth with a range of 150 meters. This is the second part. It is to start streaming video. It is streaming video through the program I run. As you can see, this is the live video. Now using split screen, I will be able to run both tabs together. This is the third part to use this sensor BME 280 for knowing the temperature, pressure and humidity. So this is how we get the data of humidity, pressure and temperature. You can use it along with your phone that streams video, and you can control your robot using Bluetooth. This is a completely original idea, and it took 1.5 years. In the future, I'm planning to put an air quality sensor so it becomes a complete weather station, and I am planning to put motion sensors so I can detect the path it's going at, and it can become more automated than manual.